Here's a quick leak detection we did on a pool and spa combo. Take a look, see how we got it done. So this is the pool. It's a pool with a raised spa. We're gonna walk around. We're gonna first look at the equipment. We have a disconnected pump. We have a lot of old valves. We have a lot of cracks going on around the pool. Again, while we're walking the pool, we're just making mental notes of this stuff. Again, we're seeing a lot of cracking in the deck. We have a crack literally running right through that skimmer area, and it looks like it's coming down into the pool. However, that did test to be negative. It wasn't leaking at the time. Gonna put it in the report though. Next thing we do, we're gonna take out our equipment. We're gonna listen around all of the spa, around side suctions, around the light, around the drain. Again, we're listening for the weight of water pushing out on that leak that creates those noises that we need to hear. We're listening again at cracks in the corner. We're listening at everything that protrudes and everything that we see. We got a lot of calcification in this pool, so we want to listen to everything. Next thing we did was we static tested, and we had a hard pull on half the spa jet line. So we knew that we had a leak going on there. We confirmed with our check valve that it wasn't an issue before we pressured it up. So now we're showing you a method of using the pool scope while the pipe is under pressure to locate the leak. The leak is right here. It was right behind this jet. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna repair it, not on the same day, of course. Here's where we cut it open. Here's where we were hearing that noise. We cut out our manifold. This is what the crack in the pipe actually looked like. Next thing we did was we looped it. We installed a plumber's loop to bypass it, and that's how we got it done. That's how we use a pool scope to listen through a concrete wall to locate a pipe leak that we had in the spa jets. This is how we fixed it. That's how we got it done. For more information, visit Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.